So in this Microsoft Word tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit the page size here in Microsoft Word. So the first thing you have to do is open up a Microsoft Word document. Once that is done, go to the top left where the Home tab is selected, slide all the way to the right in between Design and, and References where it says Layout and press on that. And where it says Size right here, so in between Orientation and Columns, press on Size right here, press on the little drop down. And you can actually change the layout or the size of your document. So by default, it is set to US letter. You can go ahead and change it to, let's just say A4, for example. That's what it looks like. You can change it to 4:6 borderless, whatever the case may be. You can sort of go around and play with it however much you want. So you can go 5:7 right here. You can change this to L borderless, whatever the case may be. There's a whole bunch of different sizes for you guys to choose from under the page size option. Also, too, you can slide all the way down. There's a whole bunch of different options. You have the card setting right here. Whatever the case may be, it is completely up to you. So pretty straightforward, super simple. This is how to change or how to edit the page size of a document inside of Microsoft Word. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.